Saving $1,000 a month as a beginner is entirely possible, but it requires shifting from a passive mindset of saving whatever is left over to an intentional system driven by practical behavioral changes. When broken down, the goal requires finding or reclaiming roughly $33.50 a day, or $250 a week. To achieve this without burning out, the most effective strategy is to reverse the traditional financial equation by paying yourself first. Instead of spending your money and hoping to save the remnants at the end of the month, you move your target savings amount out of your primary account the exact day you receive your paycheck, forcing your lifestyle to adjust to the remaining balance. To ensure this strategy works practically, the money must be kept completely out of sight to remove the temptation of impulse spending. Moving these funds into a dedicated high-yield savings account at a completely separate bank creates a critical psychological barrier, as the 1 to 2 days required to transfer the money back to a checking account prevents spontaneous purchases. Furthermore, these accounts allow the money to grow passively through significantly higher interest rates than traditional banks offer. Rather than obsessing over exhausting microcuts like skipping a day.
A daily coffee. A sustainable plan focuses on high-impact wins by auditing recurring fixed costs, such as canceling unused subscriptions, negotiating lower rates on internet or insurance bills, and drastically cutting back on food delivery services, which quickly drain hundreds of dollars a month through hidden fees and markups. When optimizing your current lifestyle still leaves a gap in your weekly target, the final practical pillar relies on balancing the equation through short-term income generation. Because there is a hard floor on how much you can cut your expenses, bridging the remaining distance is often best achieved by leaning into freelance projects, picking up casual weekend gigs, or selling unneeded items around the house to secure the extra cash. Financial discipline is a built muscle, meaning that if jumping directly to $1,000 feels too restrictive on day one, it is entirely practical to scale up incrementally, starting at a lower weekly threshold and raising the target as your new spending boundaries and automated saving systems become second nature.